How to fix SmartThings app not working. Hello and welcome everyone, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your SmartThings application is not working, there might be a bug or a glitch issue. In order to solve it, there is basically two ways. First step, press and hold onto the application and head over to App Info. Click on the Force Stop button, head over to Storage in Cache and tap on Clear Cache. After which, head back from here. If this feature is not available for your device, tap Open your phone settings. In your phone settings, navigate to Apps. Click on the All Apps option. Tap on the search icon and search for SmartThings. Then again repeat the same process of force stopping it, heading over to Storage and Cache and clear it up. After which, you can head back from here. Then check for the Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, you can switch into a cellular data or turn on your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. Last but not the least, launch your Play Store. Search for SmartThings in your search bar. Check if there is any available update for the app. If there is any, simply leave the application for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it later. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.